Animal quiz. Bet you can't get all six.
Which animal has the loudest call on Earth? A. Lion. B. Sperm whale. C. Elephant. The answer is sperm whale. How many hearts does an octopus have? A. 1. B. 3. C. 5. The answer is 3. A group of flamingos is called a what? A. Flock. B. Flamboyance. C. Colony. The answer is flamboyance. Which animal never drinks water its entire life? A. Kangaroo rat. B. Camel. C. Koala. The answer is kangaroo rat. A snail can sleep for how long at once? A. 3 days. B. 3 weeks. C. 3 years. The answer is 3 years. Which bird has the fastest recorded punch-like strike? A. Peregrine falcon. B. Mantis shrimp. C. Woodpecker. The answer is woodpecker. How many did you get? Can your friends beat it?